What's up guys, Shamil here, new water glass. Sorry, video is a little blurry, my camera is messed up. So my line on the OrangeBat broke. So what I did, I sent the two lines through one hole. The bottom line is going down, the top line going up. So the bottom line is actually anchored on top. It wrapped around, well, all the way on top. I anchored it here. The top line is past the bottom line and I anchored over there. So I'm gonna see if this works, so this way I don't have to waste the line. See how this works. Let's go. Start with the bottom line first. It works. Look at that. All right. Start the top line. And this is a Jeep Wrangler, so it's an easy one. Oh, just came off. Let me hold on. It came off. Yeah, the anchor broke. So let me do this again. Hold on, let me pause the video. I'll be back. Alright, the line came loose because I didn't tighten this enough. So as you can see, they both passed each other right here. So this way, both lines will cut. Alright, let's get back. Cutting the top side. Yeah, he's traveling, it's going. Oh, right here, gotta watch out for this. Doing this with one hand. Make sure it doesn't go under the, hold on. Under. Ah, yeah, it's hard to do it with one hand. Hold on. Alright, I passed the point, so let's move this tool. Yeah, it's hard to do it with one hand holding the camera doing the cut. So let's put it over here, right by the corner. So this way, you don't have to waste that line because lines get expensive. Let's go to the bottom line now. Yeah, it's traveling. Alright, that's enough. Let's go to top side. Oh. Alright, hold on. It's gonna get caught right here, so let's put it under. Alright, now let's move the tool past this point. So I have two anchors. You could probably use the regular suction cups. So this way you will anchor the, oh, it's getting caught right here. Gotta watch this plastic here. Once again, I'm doing this with one hand while holding the camera. And there you go. It's cut. I haven't wasted the line and it works. So let me show you again. Send both lines through one hole. Make sure the bottom side, which is gonna be this side, this one right here, this is the bottom side. It travels the bottom all the way around. I had it past this corner, both of them. Top line goes all the way on top and past. So this is the top line here. That's the bottom line there, and they both cross each other here. And there you go. Takes a little bit longer to set it up, but at least you're not wasting line. Thank you guys. Bye.